Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on some of the September polish pickup nail polishes. Can't believe another month went by and I am bringing you another swatch video for the polish pickup nail polishes. This is just a very small portion of what you can find on the polish pickup website. If you don't know what polish pickup is, I will link for you the information about this indie event in the description box, but this is hundreds of indie makers coming together for each month, participating in a specific theme, and for September it's All Hallows Eve, so this is technically the Halloween edition of Polish Pickup. The store will be open September 4th through September 7th. Some of the product and nail polishes may have a cap on them. If any of the ones that I am showing you today do have a cap, I will definitely note it for you in the description box. You will find all the information that you need there. Please check it out, and as I said, there will be kind of like a link with the frequently asked questions about polish pickup itself. As you can also see, the makers who sent me their polishes went a little dark this month, and I actually kind of like it. Most Halloween polishes are really colorful, but these are kind of more appropriate across the fall season. You are getting not only a Halloween polish but also fall appropriate or seasonal polish. My favorite must be Moonshine Menace polish and the KB shimmer polish. They are both absolutely gorgeous, but if you do like thermal polishes, I have two for you. The KB shimmer polish is a magnetic polish, but also painted Phalanges and Sassy Sauce Polish, I hardly ever have any difficulties with their polishes, so it's really hard for me to choose, but I do have to say that probably Moonshine Menace and KB Shimmer are my winners for this round. Painted Phalanges is also bringing her base coat, so if you would like to try her base coat, definitely you will have a chance this month. And yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro much longer. I do hope that you will enjoy my video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future swatch videos, then also please hit the subscribe button after you are done watching my video. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump into the swatch portion. If you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. Happy shopping, happy Halloween technically. And yeah, just keep watching the swatch portion and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.